Hello, good morning or good evening to everyone. Last video we have seen about the input devices or an input components, what we have like keyboard, mouse, joysticks and so on. So today in this video we'll see about the output unit. So what is an output device? Output unit. An output device is a peripheral device that allows a computer to communicate information to a humans or any other machine by accepting data from the computer and transforming them into a usable form. So what was the input device? You have an input device using keyboard. You send some instruction to the computer that can be either text, numeric or any other values, and what the central processing it will do, it will process the data, and after processing the data it has to be sent to some external thing, right? Some output. So whatever you have entered, you want to see the same data onto the screen. So how do you see it? That is using a output unit. Okay, the various output devices are like printer, plotter and monitor. So on the monitor you can see data, what you are seeing presently. Printer, it's a physical data, and the plotter is also a physical one. So let's see, output that can be understood by human can be in the form of hard copy, it is on paper. Soft copy, it is normally a screen display, right? Hard copy, whatever the print copy you are seeing, that is called as a hard copy. Whatever you are seeing now on the screen is called as a soft copy. So the data can be represented as both hard copy and soft copy. And then monitor. Now we are coming to the actual output device. What we have, the monitor, it is called as a CRT. First initially we got CRT, that is cathode ray tube. Output is displayed. This was the first output screen we had. So you can see this image here. So this is the first monitor, I can show you, which we are seeing here. Okay, the next game is like latest one, it's called as a flat panel display. So here this is also one of the screen where you can see the text, whatever the data you are entering from the keyboard, the data can be seen on this screen. You can watch your movies, you can watch your game, you can play games and everything. So it should be a to perform any operation, so you need to have a both input device and output device, and each have their individual key roles. Okay, right. The next is a hard copy. As discussed, we have a hard copy and soft copy, right? So hard copy also is divided into many types. It can be broadly grown into two categories, that is, one is a printer and there is a plotter. So what is a printer, what is a plotter, we will see now. So there are various types of printers available in the market. One is called as a dot matrix printer, daisy wheel printer, and we have then line printer, which prints the data on the line, and then we have inkjet printer, and then we have laser printer, and then we have thermal transfer printer. Okay, and so these are the different various printers that we have. So normally what is a dot matrix printer is like the printer has 9 to 24 pins. These pins produce patterns of dots on the paper to form some individual characters. Okay, this is very old one. And then we have daisy wheel printer. So this is also a like what you can say, this printer is used to order to get the quality of type found on typewriter. It seems like a typewriter. So then the advanced version schemes like line printer, inkjet printer, laser printer, then thermal transfer printer. Like this we have many types of printers. So plotter produces plotter is a very big printers. So nowadays you see a flexi banners, big posters available there, right? So those are like plotter produces drawing using query that are attached to a movable arms. The pens are directed across the surface of paper to draw a bar graphs, pie charts created with a plotter. It produces a very good quality output. So this is the sample image of a plotter you can see here. Okay, it produces very, especially for the movies, especially for the politics and especially for the marketing people. They wanted to produce a big image that need to be printed. It can be either in the form of 3D or a 2D. Okay, then we have inkjet printer. It forms characters on paper by spraying ink from tiny at the rate of approximately 250 characters per second. It is quite slow. Then we have an advanced printer called laser printer. It produces images on paper by directing laser beam mirror. Laser printers uses buffering store an entire page at a time. They are very fast to print. Approximately 21,000 times or 437 pages can be printed per minute. So this is the sample laser printer. You can see these are normally very fast compared to the inkjet printer. Okay, then we had a line printers. It prints only a line by line printer. So this due to buffer space, it prints entire page. Okay, then we have other output devices. Speaker, this is another type of output device used to hear the music, right? So now whatever the sound you are listening, it might be in the form of speakers, it might be form of the headsets, right? So this is one of the output device that we have. So I hope you got a clear information about the output devices, and last video you have seen about the input devices. Thank you so much for everyone for watching this video. If you like this video, you can please feel free to subscribe for more videos. I will be coming up with more and more videos about the computer basics.